everyone! Welcome to English Bit, your little daily piece of English. Here we learn fast, speak confidently, and without boring grammar tables. If you want to start speaking English easily and naturally, hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss a new bit. Let's start right now.
Hi, can I help you find something?
Yes, please. I'm looking for jeans.
What size are you?
Size 30 or 32.
Here are two styles. Would you like to try them on?
Yes, please. Where is the fitting room?
Right behind you.
Excuse me. The blue ones are perfect. I'll take them.
Great choice. Anything else?
No, just these.
That'll be $45.
Here is $50.
Here's your change and receipt. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Have a nice day.
Hello. How can I help you today?
Hi, I have a cold. My nose is running, and I have a headache.
Okay. Do you need something for the nose or for the headache?
Both, please.
Here is a nasal spray and these tablets for headache. Take one tablet 3 times a day.
Thank you. Do I need water with the tablets?
Yes, with water after food.
How much is everything?
$18.
Can I pay by card?
Of course.
Done. Thank you.
Get better soon.
Good evening. Do you have a reservation?
Yes, under the name David Brown.
Let me check. Yes. One single room for 3 nights.
That's correct.
Can I see your passport, please?
Here you are.
Thank you. Your room is 305, 3rd floor. Breakfast is from 7 to 10. Wi-Fi password is Sunny2025.
Great. Thank you. Is there an elevator?
Yes. On the left.
Perfect. Have a good night.
You too.
Good morning. What can I get for you?
Hi, can I have a latte, please?
Sure. Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Hot or iced?
Hot.
Anything to eat?
Yes, 1 chocolate croissant.
For here or to go?
For here,
Your name, please.
Anna.
Okay, Anna. That's $6.50.
Here you are.
Thank you. It'll be ready in 2 minutes. Anna, latte and croissant are ready.
Thank you so much. Have a nice day.
You too.